Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Volrex.com. Volrex.com is basically an online crypto trading platform that is getting very popular these days. As you can see a bunch of ads of it on YouTube and many other products. So they have a motto of like you can buy, trade and swap 100 plus completely decentralized from zero to crypto in minutes on a world-class open source exchange. So they've claimed that this is one of the most popular cryptocurrency platform where you can do trading according to their expert AI based feedback. But now let's dive in, find out what's actually be behind those fancy promises. As you can see, they have a claim of being using it easily because they have an intuitive and user friendly trading interface, and they have a really low trading fees as per comparison to other platforms, and their data is authorized and they provide you with the data protection. But once I tried to dive in, I didn't find any of the authorized financial organization with which they are connected with. So this is a major red flag. Apart from this, I have seen the reviews of forex.com on some other website, and you can see like the reviews are the worst possible on most of the website. People are claiming that this is just a fair social media promoted platform, and the using a deep fake videos of celebrities like Cristiano Ronaldo or Elon Musk. So this is a scammer trick at all. And as you can see, they have a trust score of 1 out of 100, which is the worst possible trust score on the grindsoft.com website. So here you can see the reviews of people, and it is not reliable at all, and it is totally a scam. You can see the trust score and security is detected 1 out of 100. So this is the worst possible trust score, and apart from that, they have a really worst internet connection as well. As you can see, the website takes a lot of time to get loaded, as I have to try to reloading it at that provide platform. So in conclusion, I would say this platform is totally a scam, and you should be cautious before investing your time on this platform. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.